A centrifugal blower turns motor rotation into a controlled stream of pressurized air. A motor spins the impeller while the casing guides air towards the outlet. Air enters near the center, where the rotating blades catch it and accelerate it outwards. The blades increase the air's tangential speed, so its momentum and kinetic energy rise. Inside the widening volute, some velocity is converted into static pressure before discharge. More speed can increase flow and pressure, but power demand climbs rapidly. Real blowers lose energy through turbulence, leakage, drag, and motor inefficiency. In summary, the impeller adds velocity, and the casing turns part of it into useful pressure.